Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add same song across multiple Instagram stories. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Then here tap the plus icon or swipe right to create a new story and select the photo or video that you want to post. Then here, tap the sticker icon at the top and choose Music Sticker. Search for the song that you want and select the part that you like, and post your story with the song. And now, to use the same song on another story, create a new story again and tap the music sticker again and search for the same song. And use the same section or timestamp of the song to keep it consistent. And post it in your second story and repeat for more stories. And that's it. You've successfully added the same song to multiple Instagram stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!